Hi guys, today we're here with the kids cooking in Mia with my assistant Sherman! And we'll be cooking raspberry and cinnamon French macarons. Yummy yummy in my tummy! For the ingredients you'll need 3 egg whites, 1/4 cup of caster sugar, 1 1/4 cups of icing sugar, 1 cup of ground almonds, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and for the raspberry vanilla buttercream you will need 150 grams of unsalted butter chopped coarsely, 1/2 cup of icing sugar, 1/3 cup of raspberry conserve aka jam, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We got this recipe from Women's Weekly Baking Test Kitchen. We were tasked to get all our ingredients from our local towns and suburbs, but not all of them we could get, so we got them from our local IGA! We got these products locally: jam, butter, and egg. First of all, you have to make the raspberry and vanilla It's vanilla! First of all, you need to make the raspberry and vanilla buttercream. Let's go. You add the butter into your beater or Thermomix or, yes. Next, you add all of your yummy jam. Jam, I call it. Jam. Now, you add your vanilla essence. Whee! Next, you add icing sugar. Now you've got to mix it all up until it's all smooth. Let's get started. And by the way, you can use a Thermomix or a normal mixer. It should look like this, very nice and creamy. Now put your buttercream in the fridge for later. Now grease and line your baking tray with baking paper. Next, we're going to whisk our egg whites until soft peaks form. When you get little peaks, it's ready. Now add your caster sugar and beat it until it's dissolved. Now we're going to fold in the sifted icing sugar. Now you sift in the ground almonds, little bit by little. Now you fold it all in. Make sure you keep the bubbles in. Now you've got to add the cinnamon in. That gives it the flavour. Now you pat them onto your tray. We didn't have a piping bag, so we used our imagination. Now we're going to make some cinnamon sugar. We used 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and a half of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay. Now you've got to dust the macarons with the cinnamon sugar. And then leave them for 30 minutes until they get a soft shell. You put them in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 20 minutes.
After 20 minutes, take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. Once they're cooled down, you can fill them with cream.
These are our macarons. We're really happy with how they turned out.
Don't forget to buy most of your ingredients from local producers.
Do not come into the bowl. 4 person